tells a story, doesn't it? They left the island so quickly, they couldn't decide what to take, what to leave, what was important. And seeing this every day reminds me to focus on the essentials. There's nothing superfluous in my life. When a thing is redundant, it is eliminated. "50-year-old Macallan. A particular favorite of yours, I understand. So, what's the toast? To the women we love? Darling, darling, your love is here. No. Stand up straight, keep still, and whatever you do, don't lose your head. Don't lose your head. Don't lose your head. Time to redeem your marksmanship scores. Let's see. You can be the first to knock the glass on the head. And just to be a sporting, I'll let you go first. Let's see who ends up on top. Can't believe it. Did you really die that day? Is there any of the old 007 left? My turn. I win. What do you say to that?
It's a waste of good scotch.
What are you going to do now? Take me back to her? All on your own.
This is a moment.
Latest thing from Q Branch. Called a radio.